What I'm having here is called Loom Bands. So this is how you make them. You can make them as friendship bands and give it to your friends, or your kids can enjoy making them. So in this kit I have got this U-shape kind of thing, which is like a holder to make the loom band. So when I take the first rubber band, I'll twist it in the form of an 8 number like this, and then I will place my second rubber band. So the first rubber band, the side strings, I'll take it over the first and bring it into the center as you saw, and then I'll continue this process. However, only my first rubber band will be in 8 shape, the remaining all of them will be put straight into those holders. Now if you do not have holders, you need not worry, because you can make use of your fingers or 2 pencils and work out your way in making this band. So my little munchkin is helping in making these bands. She's making them for her friends, so I'm just enjoying making them. So this is something really fun for your kids, in case if you want them to have some time pass, they will really love making them. In order to make these bands, you'll get an S hook to end it up. If not, you can make this knot that I'm trying to make. Take the start portion of the band and pull out the end portion from underneath the start portion of the band in this way and take it to the other side. After that, the red color, the start portion of the band, you can release it, and then the end point we are going to form a single loop knot. So that will happen by taking the bottom portion of the string like this over the top and then pulling off the top one, and there simply your knot is formed. It's quite easy, simple way to form a knot, and that's it. This is how cool it looks. Very simple to make, easy and quite a time pass. Let me show you some other different kind of styles of loom bands. So now we are going to make a different one. In this one, again I'll start with a 8 number twisted band, rubber band. Then place the next one straight. Then take another one. Okay, now color is totally of your choice. Take the bottom side and pull it over towards the center and release it in that way. This forms the start. Then we continue, but now what you'll do is you'll do this step alternate ways. Firstly, I will take the bottom portion, and from the second side the middle portion, the pink color, this. That's your second step. Now the third step will be the alternate. I will take the bottom from the other side and middle from the first side, and this will keep on alternating. If you lose a track of which one to take first, remember the bottom portion will be really down and the middle portion is quite easy to figure out. So in this way you have to continue making these bands, and once you're done, you will have a different design. The one which I showed you first was a very simple design. However, this is a little different. It gives a beautiful look to the band that you're making. Continue making the band in this way. And once you are halfway through, it should look like this. Can you see? Now here I am showing you how to notice which band you have to take. The bottommost looking band is the one you got to take, and then from the other side it will be the center, which is quite obvious. Continue making the band, and then I will show you how to form the knot at the end. So this is the last bit of my band. To make the knot, simply take the starting point like this and keep it on top. Can you see that? You can pull the other side of the band over to this side, first side. Take it out in this way. So this is the same way how I tied the knot earlier, but I showed you in a different style. So there are different ways you can tie that knot. And that's it. This is how this band style looks. Cute, na? Like the design? Let me show you another style. And here we do the start point of the bracelet like this. Then the second one. And then the third one. And all you have to do is take the first part over both of them and bring it towards the center like this. So this band will continue in the same way. There is no bottom and middle portion, just in the same way. Now if you all purchase the kit, you all get a hook kind of thing like this. This is to just remove the rubber bands in this way and place it over them towards the center. It just makes the hook part easier to hold the rubber band and pull it outwards. So I'll just show you one more time. Take the bottom portion over both the bands and bring it towards the center. That's it. And that is the same design you'll follow till the end. I've come almost to the end of it, so I will take the top portion that I started my band with on one side of that holder. Pull the rubber band from underneath and take it to the other side. This was what I did in the first step. Pull both the bottom side and this side together and your knot is formed. And that's how simple it is. See, I made it of different colors so that it looks nice. It goes with any kind of clothes you're wearing. Found this interesting, then please do share it with others. And for those who are new out here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time on Tip Lab. Bye.